Today, I'm taking you through a full and honest review of EverQuote, a website that positions itself as an insurance comparison platform. The first thing you notice when you land on the homepage is that it's heavily focused on auto insurance, although they do provide options for home, renters, health, and life insurance as well. The design of the site is very straightforward and easy to navigate, with a clear call to action that encourages you to start by entering your zip code. Once you do that, EverQuote begins asking for personal details such as your car make and model, your driving history, and your current insurance provider. The process feels smooth at first, but it quickly becomes clear that the website is primarily a lead generator. Instead of delivering instant quotes directly on the screen, which many users expect, it collects your information and then passes it along to insurance agents and third-party companies. That means you might get multiple follow-up calls and emails after using the service. This is one of the biggest drawbacks because while it promises comparison shopping, it doesn't always provide transparent, real-time numbers in the way you might hope. EverQuote does offer a clean interface, and it is easy to understand where you are in the process. The questionnaire adapts based on your answers, which feels modern and personalized. However, the depth of personal information requested might make some users uncomfortable, especially since EverQuote itself is not the actual insurer, but rather a middleman connecting you with providers. This distinction is important because many people go into the site thinking they'll get a final quote immediately, when in reality, they're submitting details to be contacted later. The good side of EverQuote is that it has partnerships with a wide range of well-known insurance carriers, so the offers you eventually receive are often from legitimate companies. It's a way to get connected with multiple insurers without individually contacting each one. Still, the volume of follow-up communication can be overwhelming, and some users report frustration with the persistence of calls. The navigation across the site is simple, with links to auto, home, life, renters, and even small business insurance categories. There's also an information section that provides articles and resources about saving money on insurance, understanding coverage, and tips for safe driving. This part of the site can be genuinely useful if you're researching before making a purchase decision. Many useful links you can find in the description. When it comes to trustworthiness, EverQuote is a mixed bag. The company is legitimate and it does what it says. It connects you to insurance carriers. But the lack of direct quotes and the heavy emphasis on gathering personal information may leave users feeling like they didn't get what was promised. For someone who just wants quick numbers to compare, it might not be the ideal platform. On the other hand, if you don't mind being contacted and want a broad range of insurers to reach out to you, EverQuote can speed up the process. Another point worth noting is that while the site advertises itself as free, you're essentially paying with your data. That's not unique to EverQuote. Many comparison sites work this way, but it's something users should be aware of before submitting sensitive details. If privacy is a top concern for you, this may not be the best option. The overall experience is polished in terms of website usability, but mixed in terms of delivering on expectations. Some users might appreciate the convenience of filling out one form and getting contacted by multiple companies, while others might see it as just an extra step before actually getting the information they were looking for. If you're considering EverQuote, my honest take is that it works better as a lead connection tool than as a real quote comparison site. It can be useful, but go in knowing what to expect and be prepared for follow-up calls. Thank you for watching this walkthrough and honest review of EverQuote. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button so you don't miss more detailed reviews of services like this.